So today we're going to do deep, relaxing massage using Swedish massage techniques. Starting off with the oil and the effleurage. So we're going to start up from the pelvis, all the way up along the spine, around the shoulders, and all the way down to the spine again. We're going to do this 3 to 5 times to make the client relax. Make sure that the oil is going to come all the way out on the body. And the last one. Take it around the shoulders, down, so when we're done doing this, we're going to take our hands, place them both one on top of the other, in between, and we're going to have big circles. Remember, when we do this, we always use the soft part of the fingers, never that one, just the soft part. Nice big circles. When we reach the shoulder blades, the circles are going to be a little bit smaller. So we're going to have in between the spine and the shoulder blades. Then we're going to cross up on top of the shoulder. You can make it bigger. Then we're going to enter on the shoulder blades. I'm going to show you the other side. Take the fingers along the spine, get them together. Nice big circles. And when we reach to the scapula, shoulder blades, I'm going to go towards the shoulder blades, which means in between the spine, towards the shoulder blades. You can see all the muscles. So the circles are going to be a lot smaller right here. Then we're going to go above the shoulder, on top of it, and then suddenly we are back on the shoulder blade again. Here we can have big round circle. We can have the small ones. Start up with the big round ones. And we do the entire back. All the way down to the side as well. So we actually activate the lymphatic system. When we've done the big round circles, let's do this a couple of times. At least 2 to 3 times on each side. Another thing that's important when we have this circle, it's really important actually whenever we do the Swedish massage techniques, is that your forearm and your hand is in line. Which means we do not want to stand like this. That's the worst part we can do. Always have it in line. That's why we need the bench to be at the height that suits us while we do all these techniques. Because if the bench is too high, then, and I should be straight on my forearms and my hand, then I must go out on my tippy toe. And we don't want that. Because some of the technique is that we're going to use the entire body. So now, taking it 2 times, let's take the last one. Big round circles. As you can see, the blood is already getting here so much better, the blood circulation. So let's start that one at the side and at the lower back as well. When we've done this 3 times, then we can always, after each one, can always do a effleurage, just to feel the difference in the body. And also because we have this long stroke, which is so relaxing for the body as well. So now we're ready for the next move. The next move is going to be smaller circles. Smaller circles, same way, put a hand, take the other one, put it on top, in between, close your fingers. Let's do small circles. Small circles get more into the deep of it. So you want to, if you find a muscle which is really tense, you want to work a little bit on it, do the small circles. Again, be aware of, just use the soft part of the fingers. Of course, we're going to do the entire area. So we could either do it all the way up here, or we could do one area and then move on to the next area afterwards. Like that. Remember, on the side of it could be a little bit more sore because of the lymphatic system. So loosen up the pressure if it's too much. Small circles. If you got a body which is really overloaded, the muscle tension are just too much, then the best solution is, when you do the small circles, is to go slower. The slower you get, the more you get into the muscles, and the less painful it's going to be, actually. This, of course, we're going to do small circles 2 to 3 times as well. On both sides, of course. Let's do the effleurage again. And now you're really going to feel the difference. From when you started until now. Feel that the muscles are more relaxed. The breathing as well is getting more deep. The good thing is, after you've done the small circles as well, after the big circles, the small circles, then you're going to do some effleurage 2-3 times. Just like when you started out. And then we're going to finish up by having the tapetumang. So I'm going to start up on the shoulder. Again, we're going to go along the spine, not on the spine. It's not just a good feeling to do it on the spine, just along. So that's a really good relaxing massage. And when we do the tapetumang at the end, the body's going to be waking up.